In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we discuss why most prices are expected to come under pressure, with especially tomato and carrot prices that can decrease significantly. We also discuss why orange and lemon prices remain on a lower level. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook, where we look at the latest price trends and news not only in the fresh produce markets of South Africa, but also in the grain and livestock sectors. The rand traded on 16 Rand 20 per US dollar, while the Brent crude oil price continued to trade on a higher level at $110 per barrel. Looking at the latest prices in the vegetable market, there is currently very low demand due to the middle month, which will most likely put severe pressure on most prices this coming week. Potato prices, however, increased slightly last week to 46 Rand 96 per 10 kg, with the Class 1 price higher on 49 Rand 55. Potatoes from the western production areas are in relatively high quality and good condition, while higher rainfall towards the eastern parts resulted in slightly lower quality on the market. Potato prices may decrease this week. The latest tomato price decreased to 9 Rand 14 per kilogram, while the Class 1 tomato price traded on 9 Rand 93. We are expecting tomato prices to also decrease, with lower demand and higher volumes expected over the next week or so. The carrot price increased to 4 Rand 76, with the Class 1 price currently on 4 Rand 34. We may see a significant decrease in the carrot price over the coming weeks due to higher volumes, but especially due to lower demand on the markets. The latest onion price stayed on a relatively high level, trading on 5 Rand 32 per kilogram, while the average Class 1 onion price increased to 5 Rand 54. Low demand can also result in slightly lower prices over the next 2 weeks. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. Cabbage prices increased to 2 Rand 87. Garlic prices decreased to 58 Rand 11. Spinach prices increased to 4 Rand 89. Sweet potato prices decreased to 3 Rand 27, while the latest pepper price stayed on a very high level and increased by 5% the past week to 15 Rand 7 cents per kilogram. This increase in the pepper price was due to higher yellow pepper prices specifically the past week. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification, payments, and traceability. Go check out their website now at nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. When looking at the fruit market, the extremely low demand on the markets may also have a negative impact on these prices over the coming week. The banana price decreased to 8 Rand 18 per kilogram, with Class 1 bananas currently on 9 Rand 17. Apple prices decreased by 2% to 6 Rand 46, with the Class 1 price lower on 6 Rand 67. This price can stabilize on its current level over the next 3 months. The pear price decreased to 6 Rand 4 cents per kilogram, with the Class 1 pear price currently on 6 Rand 65 last week. The orange price increased to 3 Rand 80, which is 15% higher compared to the previous week. Class 1 oranges are currently trading on 4 Rand per kilogram. Orange volumes on the local markets are still about 30% higher compared to a year ago, which will most likely keep prices on a lower level. Higher local volumes can be ascribed to lower export volumes and higher local production levels, with good rainfall in most production areas. Lemon prices decreased to 3 Rand 86 per kilogram, with Class 1 lemons also lower on 4 Rand 14 per kilogram. The avo price also increased last week to 13 Rand 43 per kilogram, with Class 1 avos currently trading on 16 Rand 13. Avo prices can increase over the next week. Table grape prices remained stable on 17 Rand 63, with Class 1 grapes decreasing to 21 Rand 1 cents last week. Grape prices can remain in an upward trend over the coming few weeks. The latest pineapple price increased to 6 Rand 85 per kilogram last week. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile Marketplace and Halfway Toyota. I'm Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.